What are the mistakes you're making as an IT leader that you're not even aware of? In this video, I'll cover the top 10 leadership mistakes I've either made myself or have seen others make. You'll also learn what to do to fix them or, better yet, avoid them entirely. More details on that in a moment. Technical skills solve problems, but people skills build careers. Compassionate Geek online on-demand training empowers IT teams to be easy to work with and create positive customer experiences. That means fewer conflicts, happier users, and a more successful IT team. Give your team the skills they need on their schedule. Visit CompassionateGeek.com to get started today. There's a link to the course in the notes just below. Now, let's get into that list. These 10 leadership mistakes aren't about lack of technical knowledge. They're usually about how we interact with people, our teams, our peers, even our end users. Mistake number 1, failing to communicate clearly and consistently. You may think you're being clear, but if your team is confused or constantly checking in for clarification, something's not working. Fix it by choosing a consistent channel for updates, repeating your priorities as needed, and listening carefully when people come to you with questions. Listening is one of the 5 principles I cover in the Compassionate Geek, and it's a skill that builds trust. Mistake number 2, ignoring the human side of IT. Too many managers focus only on the tech, but your job is to lead people. Take time to ask how your team members are doing. Show real empathy. Show compassion. These aren't nice to haves. They're part of being a successful leader in tech. Mistake 3, micromanaging or disappearing. Both extremes are harmful. Your team needs guidance and space. Be present, but not overbearing. Use one-on-one meetings to support, not control. That's what intentional leadership looks like. Knowing when to step in and when to step back. Mistake 4, overlooking professional growth. If you don't invest in your people, they'll either stagnate or start job hunting. Encourage cross-training, learning opportunities, and career development. It shows you value them as professionals, not just resources. Mistake 5, reacting emotionally in high-stress situations. Look, IT can be stressful, I get it, but your reaction sets the tone. Take a breath before responding. Stay aware of how your words and tone will land. A calm, intentional leader builds a calm, intentional team. Mistake 6, avoiding difficult conversations. Nobody enjoys them, but avoiding them makes things worse. Address issues early. Be direct, respectful, and focused on solutions. People deserve both honesty and integrity. Mistake 7, not setting boundaries. If you're always on, you're teaching your team to do the same. That leads to burnout. Respect your own downtime and model a healthy balance. It's good for your team and good for you. Mistake 8, relying only on your technical skills. Tech skills matter, of course, but leadership is about emotional intelligence, communication, and influence. For you, as an IT leader, strong tech skills are important, but your leadership skills matter even more. Mistake 9, not modeling the behavior you expect. People don't do what you say, they do what you do. If you want professionalism, respect, and calm under pressure, live it consistently. And finally, mistake number 10, neglecting your own self-care. You can't lead well when you're exhausted or burned out. Take breaks, unplug, talk to someone. Awareness begins with self-awareness, and that includes taking care of yourself. So here's the bottom line. Leadership in IT isn't about having all the answers. It's about being aware of how your words and actions affect others, and being intentional about creating the best possible outcomes for your team and your users. If you want a simple framework to guide you, keep these 5 principles in mind from the Compassionate Geek. Technical competence, compassion, empathy, good listening skills, and treating others with dignity and respect. Follow those, and you won't just avoid mistakes, you'll become the kind of leader people want to work with. Be sure to press the thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel. Want more? The full-length version of this is online at CompassionateGeek.com/blog, along with tips and training to help your team be the very best they can be at CompassionateGeek.com.